When shipping internationally, providing accurate customs information is crucial for avoiding delays. In Ordoro, you can easily assign and update customs details for your products. Navigate to the Products page and search for the product you want to update. Click on the product name to open the product detail page. On the bottom right side of the page, locate the Customs Declarations section. Here, you can edit the description, Harmonized Code, and country of origin by clicking next to each field. The Harmonized Code categorizes the product for international shipping. The description should be a clear and accurate summary of the product for customs purposes. The country of origin specifies where it was manufactured. If you need these updates applied to all open orders, check the box labeled Update Open Orders before saving. Once saved, these details will be included automatically on customs forms when shipping internationally, ensuring smooth customs clearance and fewer shipping delays. By keeping your customs information up to date, you can streamline your shipping process. The details will automatically populate in the Customs Info module for any future orders, saving you time and ensuring accuracy.